Hey, my people, what's going on? This major TV. Let's talk. Man, it's cold out here. I gotta get it, y'all, for real. I'm trying to lose this weight. Um, what's going on? I want to talk to y'all about something. And something that I heard Grandma G started out saying, and everybody just started saying, just be black, right? So I'm entitled of this video, just be black. What that mean to me, right, is loving who you are as a black person, male or female, whether you're dark or light, love you. Don't let nobody make you feel less than who you are, that your color isn't as beautiful as any other color, you know, um, that you realize how great you are, meaning we come from kings and queens. We the origin of civilization. Everything you see in this entire world, gotta give credit to Africa. I don't care, you dealing with planes, ships, phones, laptops, homes. I don't care. We created the mat, right? Created first alphabet, numbers and all that. Huh? Science, medicine. Just imagine you need math for everything. Just imagine. Even this phone I have in my hand right now. You gotta know what 8 inches or 7 inches or whatever they say. 2 inches across, whatever. All that dealing with math. We created that. But we've been taught to hate each other and dislike each other. The biggest trick been ran on black people. We've been deceived and lied to as though we come from a place called Africa full of savages and wild beasts. That white people civilized Africa. All the while we civilized them. All the while we inspired them. We helped them build their civilization. So just being black to me is loving you. Not hating anyone else, but loving you and yours. Like, you can have love for mankind, have no problem. I got love for mankind. But I'm talking about actually realizing that being black is under siege. It's being targeted. It's being marginalized, suppressed, excluded, and all the above. So we have to be able to acknowledge and realize that as black people, we gotta love each other. We end up with a big old family. You got the mama, the daddy, sister, brother. You got cousins and all the aunties and all that, right? You got some we get along real good with, some we don't want to be around that much, some just ain't right. You got some that's gonna always be cool. We just have all the right things to say and keep things together, right? That's what it should be all about. But at the same time, I get it. Some black people ain't gonna never get it. Ain't gonna understand their true essence, won't love themselves, who they are, right? A lot of them just not informed, just don't know, or lost. We always have a family member that gonna drift off or be different, act funny, always do the unusual, crazy things. Always come for you to bail them out. And if not, turn against you and go work with the man or whatever the case might be. But you're gonna have that, right? That ain't no issue. The issue is, as long as we keep the core together, that black power together, we can be good. We'll be all right. But just being black to me means to stay on cool, to be focused and realize there is so much life to live, so much to do. But in that quest, we also realize there's a fight going on. And we got to continue to fight. We got to continue to put that work in. We got them little ones we got to worry about. So, for me, learn as much as you can learn about your culture. You don't have to read no book one. You don't have to read a whole lot of books. Just understand what's going on around you. Learn how to hustle, make money, and create. Because once you create something, you can pass it on to your kids. You can hire other black people, right? And when you create something, that's yours. So you can have that Afrocentric twist to it. You can have information, you're teaching or sharing, hearing that to your family, your workers, or the community when they come in your shop or whatever place you may have. You know, being black to me it's a special thing because while others trying to bleach their skin, while others trying to denounce or get away from, you know, their blackness, people like myself and you that's black, we embrace it. So I'm out here getting it in, y'all. I gotta lose some weight. Ecoline died. I know. try to get right. Do my Ecoline thing, you know. So it's not easy, but I gotta do my thing, and I encourage everybody. Y'all work out, walk. You don't have to do a whole lot of this, that, and other. I don't go to the gym no more because of COVID. So I basically do push-ups. I do dips and all that. I do the wheel. Got the light dumbbells and what have you. But I'm working out for years, so it ain't enough for me to kind of get the system going on, and go from there, you know. But I didn't ramble on. But look at this major TV. I'm out here, it's cold as hell, you know. But I appreciate a lot of y'all that's just breaking me down with all these comments and all these powerful, strong, encouraging, enlightening words. My sisters and brothers, I'm humble. Trust me. I love y'all. I love what y'all stand for. I love how y'all kind of keep beating these doors down for Brother Grandmaster J, the General. I love the fact that NFAC showed us something in my lifetime I never seen myself. So I gotta support that. And I'm about to do a video real soon. I'm gonna go deep on why I don't understand how black people cannot support this brother. And how they talking negative about, how they can talk negative about, know how systems have been against blacks that spoke out. So I'm gonna have the most structure when I tell y'all right now. I be walking, I can't talk and walk at the same time. I'm saying I'm a big boy, so y'all thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I just want to just thank y'all. Y'all just got me motivated. Sometimes I be like, man, hell with this, you know. But I'm like, nah, I can't never give up my people. But somebody, anyone new, y'all hit that subscribe button, notification button for any latest content I may drop. Y'all like and share. Always leave them comments. I know y'all coming in with the comments. And y'all always stay on cold. Y'all stay focused. Just be black. Peace.